What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. It is a very, very early Friday morning. It is like 1 a.m. right now. I just couldn't sleep because there's a lot of exciting things that's about to happen here in the next few hours for me. But let's just say it's been a good run. Oh man, I'm gonna miss these bikes. So I came up on a really good deal. Again, this is a double-edged sword with me. I'm always on Facebook and I'm always, trying, looking for things, looking for stuff to trade, looking for things to buy. So I found a really clean looking Honda CB750. Oh, I'm sorry, Honda CB900 on Facebook Marketplace that's already cafe'd out. The dude didn't really take too much good photos, which is kind of nice because not a lot of people, I think, were interested in getting it. But on a whim, I was like, hey man, trade me for 2 bikes. I got some really clean examples of some, very clean examples of factory bikes that could be turned into a scrambler, or that can be turned into a cafe racer. And after some talking and after sending some pics and just having a conversation, he agreed. So I will be getting rid of my GSA 50 and my XS750 for 1 bike. Some of you might think I'm freaking crazy. For me personally, I think it's a good move for me. First of all, I'm running out of space. My GR Corolla is supposed to be in here, and it's winter and it's outside, and I'm getting sad. Number 1, space for me. Number 2, I just don't want to be taking care of 2 bikes. It's going to be a very long process, an expensive process, money that I don't have, truthfully, to turn these into what I want, vision-wise. So an example is I already have one of the parts that I wanted to do with the XS750, and that's just handlebars. The handlebars on here, as I've expressed in the previous XS750 videos, I'm not a big fan of. So stuff like that. I would need to get the frame chopped on both of these seats. Just a lot of that. Just a lot of that stuff. And just I don't want to deal with these bikes anymore, truthfully. As you can see, I still have to put on the air filter for this. I just don't have time for 2 bikes, truthfully. And even when I had time, I was only focusing on this, and then my brother was kind of just doing this. So which bike am I gonna miss the most? 100% this 750. This is probably one of my favorite old bikes that I've ever purchased. I'm gonna miss this thing for sure. I think this is one of the things that I will regret letting go, because it is such a clean example of it's like I bought this used back in like 1980. And this is 78. It has 11,000 original miles. This one not so much. This was kind of just like a hand-me-down, because I originally, like I said in the previous vlogs, when I was going to buy this thing, I just wanted this kind of just was like, hey, here, take this too. It runs fine though. It's a great bike, but you guys will see. I'm pretty stoked. I'm not even gonna put a picture of it until you'll see the clip. But this Honda is so sick. Like, I don't know. It's funny because I've had. Oh, you know what? I was gonna say this is technically a Honda. I was gonna say I've only owned the big 3 so far, which is the Yamahas, Suzuki's, and now Hondas, which is kind of funny. I've had 2 Yamahas. This one, this ain't going nowhere. The 900 staying. I've had 2 Yamahas. 1, 2. I've had 2 Suzuki's. 1, 2. The GS 500. And I've had 2 Hondas. Ruckus, and then the future build, which you guys don't know yet. At this time of me filming it, but you will see it in this video, I think. So yeah, I'm just kind of in the garage, just packing things up, getting ready to put these on a trailer tomorrow morning. Just kind of saying my goodbyes, I guess. This is a pretty cool, you know, this was a really awesome experience for me. But it's time to go to a better home, I guess. Someone that'll love them more than I will. But yeah, we're gonna have a new bike here soon. I will say this, I'm really excited for this bike just because there's only the parts that I've wanted to do for that 750 has already been done on this Honda. Main reason why I wanted rear sets, clip-ons, just the overall aesthetic of the bike, everything's been done and I just want to ride. So yeah, you'll see why I really like this bike. I already went to go check it out today, actually. After work today, I went to go check it out. We basically shook our hands and said, hey, take these 2 bikes off of me, I'll get yours. Dude was ecstatic. I'm surprised he even took the deal, just because I think he was trying to sell it for a winter car, but he ended up taking my deal because his mom wanted to ride too. So I lucked out really on this Facebook deal. So I'm really happy about that. Other things to be excited about. I have parts for the 900 and it's behind the 900. And as you guys can see, if you can't tell already, it's gonna have to do something with the handlebars. As you can see, I've already prepped it. I've taken off my, you know, quad lock system. My little Korean teddy bear is on my single speed pedal bike now. But what these are clip-ons. So I'm excited to do a 900 build, or an XSR 900 video soon on this. I don't know when I'll be doing it. It is cold as balls out right now. I don't know if I'll have the motivation to do it, but clip-ons for the XSR 900 will come soon. Very, very soon. In a channel near you. My channel. But, yeah, handlebars are... they're comfy, don't get me wrong. I probably should keep them, and I'll ride them out for a little bit longer. I don't even know when I'm planning on doing the S2. They're S2 clip-ons, by the way. I don't even know when I plan on doing that. But these are S2. They are S2 clip-ons. So I've been eyeing them for a while. I went on Facebook and Facebook. There was luckily there's a dude in Wisconsin selling them. So I'm happy. I'm happy I copped it for a really good deal. I'll just show you guys because why not? But yeah, man, these are the clip-ons. So what'll end up happening is this guy basically sits on top of here on the you know, top of the triple tree, and then these guys just kind of go in like that, right? So you can kind of see it form already. And then guy was really cool. He ended up giving me some extras. These are bar end weights. I don't know if I'm gonna put them on, truthfully, but we'll see. But he also gave me some Rizomas. He didn't want the Rizomas, but I'm pretty sure these are the fake Rizomas, which honestly I don't really care. But who knows? Maybe we'll put this on. I don't even know how to. Where is it? Where's the opening? Oh my god! Watch me drop this thing, guys. Woo! Boom. Rizomas. I don't know if these are real or not. I can't tell. Nevertheless, they kind of will sit like this. But I don't know if I want to put... That's too Gundam style for me. I don't know. We'll see what we'll do with the Rizomas, because honestly, what's gonna end up happening is I'll be down to 2 bikes, 2 real bikes, and then the real Ruckus. So what'll end up happening is this will become my modern cafe racer, which I will probably wear more modern stuff like that white jacket that you've seen me wear before on previous videos. So this will be more like a modern aesthetic look. So maybe the Rizomas will fit this, but I still wanted to make this look cafe as possible. So I want to keep the aesthetic cafe racer as possible for the modern bike. And then the true cafe racer, like the actual true, I'm so excited for you guys to see this. The real cafe racer is coming soon. I've already been yapping for like 10 minutes now, so I'm just gonna post this as a to be continued video. But I just want to put something out there, something to be excited about. I'm excited as hell. I hope you guys are too, because this bike is, once I post up on it, once you guys see the next video, you'll see this bike totally fits my vibe and what I'm going for. But yeah, I will miss my Yamaha XS750, and I will miss this GS850. You know, short-lived, but hey, we got some memories in there. But yeah, I'm excited. I'll see if I can finally get some sleep now. Just yap it out, I guess. But I guess we'll see you guys in the next video when we go pick up my new cafe racer. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. We're almost there. See you guys in the next one.